Right. See here, this is the question. Find the coefficient of x power 18 in 1 plus x into 1 minus x whole power 10 into 1 plus x square to the power of 9. We have to find the coefficient of x power 18. So this is JEE asked question, JEE 2019 I think this is. I am not sure the year I am not sure, but this is JEE question. So how to deal this question? I said this one I can write 1 plus x, and this I can write as 1 minus x into 1 minus x to the power of 9 into 1 plus x square to the power of 9. Okay. So from here this looks like a plus b into a minus b, that is I can write as a square minus b square. Okay, these both, the product of these both is a square minus b square, and this is looks like as 1 minus x into 1 plus x square whole power 9. Okay, is it clear? Yes, everyone, is it clear to you? Right, आपको समझ में आया? What is your name? Understood. Hindi you want? English okay? Right. What we write here, 1 plus x, here in this I separated two parts, 1 minus x power 1, 1 minus x power 9, that is 1 power x power 10, right? So we multiplied these both, 1 plus x into 1 minus x, that is 1 minus x square. And this is, you know, this is a minus b whole cube formula, right? Sorry, a cube minus b cube formula, correct? A cube minus b cube. So what I write here, 1 minus x square into 1 minus x cube to the power of 9. So this is what we got, correct? Now what we will do here, now I say here there is no power in this, so I will multiply 1 into this. 1 into this, if I multiply 1 minus x cube to the power of 9, and there is no power, so I can multiply here minus x square into 1 minus x cube to the power of 9. Is it clear? Yes sir. So now I have to find the coefficient of what here? X power 18 I have to find. So coefficient of x power 18, I have to see from here, I have to see from here, right? So if I want to see from here, I told direct. You want direct or you want like steps? Steps you want? Stepwise? Method-wise? Method-wise or how? Direct. Right? Is it comfortable direct? See, this is looks like an, you know, 1 minus x whole power n formula. Looks like that. So what I get here, nc1 x power 1. 1 when you have power 1 you get. So if you have 3, for 1 you get power 3. For 2 what I get, just I am writing, normally I am writing. For 2 what I get here, x power 3 to the 6. Okay, for 3 what I get here, for 3 x power 3 power 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, for 4 I get how much here, x power 4 3s are 12, right? For 5 what I get here, 15. For 6, 18. So 6th term will be the answer. इसमें ना 6th term आ जाएगा directly. But if you not understand this, no problem. Okay, we'll do the steps. From here, here I said what here, x cube है, x square है. So inside I have to get x power 16, na? See here, x square. I want to get how much? 18. Means x square into x power 16 will give you x power 18. Correct? So inside what I have to get? 16 I have to get. But what I am getting here, 3 I will get. Next what I will get? 6 I will get. Next what I will get? 9 I will get. Next what I will get? 12 I will get. Next what I will get? 18 I will get. है ना? So 16 नहीं आएगा. Are you getting it? 16 नहीं आएगा. So here no answer from here. Is it clear? No answer from here. From here no answer. So from beginning, from that first one you have the answer, from the second one you don't have the answer. Reason is, here you will not get x power 16 in this. Are you getting? X power 16 you will not get. Okay, no, so I will get from there. Did you understand all?
Yes.
Clear? So what I write here, I have to get 1 minus x cube to the power of 9. In that I have to find x power 8 coefficient. Coefficient of this I have to find. Okay? So what I do here, let us take the general term tr plus 1 as per the method I am explaining now. So tr plus 1 is equal to what? ncr a to the power of n minus r into b to the power of r as per the method. Is it okay for method? As per the method it is right. So what I write here, n. What is n here? N is 9. N is 9. Right? 9cr. A is the first one. 1 power 9 minus r. And what is the b here? Minus x cube to the power of r. Correct? So I get as 9cr 1 to the power of 9 minus r and minus 1 power r. We write like this. This one is how you write here. This we will write as minus 1 into x cube. So minus 1 power r and x power 3 into r, that is 3r. Correct? So I have to make this one as how much? 18. Coefficient of. So this should be equivalent to how much? 18. Okay, independent term is we will equate to 0. So here this is coefficient of what? 18. So we will equate 3r is equal to 18. R is equal to how much? 6. So that you substitute here, you are going to get the coefficient. So what you are getting here? 9c6. Okay, 9c6. 1 power 3 is 1. Okay, and minus 1 power 6. That is minus 1 power 6 is how much? Positive. So 9c6 is the answer. 9c6 can be written as what? 9c3. Right? 9 minus 6 is 3. So 9c3 value is how much? 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. Right? 3 3s are cancelled, 2 4s are cancelled. So you get as how much? 7 3s are 21, 84. 84 is the answer. See here, this one, where it is, I think this side it is not clear, right? So tr plus 1 is ncr a to the power of n minus r, b power r is the formula. So we use this formula. N is 9, c, r we don't know, a is here 1 and b is here minus x cube. So to the power of r. Okay, so 9cr 1 power n minus r, and this minus we will take out, minus 1 power r and x power 3 into r, 3r, and we required 18 coefficients. So 3r is equal to 18, r is equal to 6. So r is equal to 6. If you substitute in this, you are going to get the coefficient of x power 18. So we get here, and then you got the 84 is the answer. Okay. अच्छा ये पूरा रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. See this question, you have to find the independent term of this. Okay, independent term you have to find. So how to find? See, there is no power here, so power is not there. So what we do here, we multiply this. So what do we do? 1 by 60 into 2x square minus 3 by x square power 6 minus x power 8 by 81 into 2x square minus 3 by x square to the power of 6. Is it clear? Right? अच्छा. Now इसमें independent term means what? X power 0. We have to find x power 0. Independent coefficient means x power 0. So what we do here right now, I will take the general term here. Okay, the general term is tr plus 1, that is equal to tr1 I will take, because both side you have. So once I will take r1, once I will take r2. So general term is NCR1 a to the power of n minus r1 into b to the power of r1 minus x power 8 by 81 into here NCR2 into a to the power of n minus r2 into b to the power of r2. I wrote formula, okay? I just wrote formula. So here n is how much? 6. So 6CR1. Okay, what is a value here? A value 2x square. 2x square to the power of what? 6 minus r1. What is b value here? Minus 3 by x square to the power of r1. What is r1? R1 only. R1 we don't know. R1 is R1. Okay. Minus x power 8 by 81. This is 6. 6CR2. A value is 2x square to the power of 6 minus r2. B value is minus 3 by x square to the power of r2. Correct? Right? Now what do you do here? I have to take x here, x power. So what do you write here? 6CR1. I write 2 power 6 minus r1 minus 3 power r1 and x square power is 2 6 are 12 minus 12 minus 2r1. Okay, we find x here and here x will be what? This r1 come down, so x power 2r1. So if I take up minus 2r1, so that is what we have to make, and minus here x power 8 by 81 6CR2 and here 2 to the power of 6 minus r2 into minus 3 to the power of r2 into x power 12 minus 2r2 12 minus 2r2 and this is minus 2r2. Correct, है ना? Yes, madam. Right? Correct? Yes, sir. Right, है ना? चलो. So what you got here finally? So this must be equal to 0, huh? And this must be equal to 0. Independent. No. Okay. Where is the bracket? Thank you. Huh? Yes. It's a bracket, right? R2 power में है ना? So the bracket is this. Right? Awesome. Now here this one is, this one I have to make it 0. So what I write here, 12 minus 4r1 is equal to 0 minus 4r1 is equal to minus 12, r1 is equal to 3. Right? In the second case में क्या करते हैं, इसमें power 8 is there, so I have to get 0, means power I take minus 8. Inside should be taken minus 8, plus 8 minus 8 0. So here this I'll write as 12 minus 4r2 is equal to minus 8 I have to take. So minus 4r2 is equal to minus 8 minus 12. Minus 4r2 is equal to minus 20. Correct? r2 is equal to 5. So r1 is 3, r2 is 5 is the answer. So in this you substitute r1 is 3, in this you substitute r2 is 5. So what is the final answer here? Final answer is 63, right? 63 2 to the power of 6 minus 3 into minus 3 to the power of 3 minus, this is I write as 1 by 81. X power 8 is not there, right? So 1 by 81 1 it's running, sorry. So 1 by 81, here what I write R2 here, 65, 2 power 6 minus 5 minus 3 power 5, correct? Everything is right? So what do you get here finally? 63, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is minus 27, right? Minus into minus will be plus, 1 by 81, 65 value is 6. 6 na? 6, 2 to the power of 1 and 3 to the power of 5 is 3 to the power of 5. 243, हाँ वही बोल रहा था मैं एक्चुअली. इसमें कट हो गया, करेक्ट. Who is left now? 63 how much? 63, 6 into 5 into 4, बोलो ना जल्दी. 63, 6 into 5 into 4 upon 20, confirm? I'll see later if it is wrong. So 20 into 8 into minus 27, see sir, है ना, correct है ना, plus 6 3 is 18, right? 18 2 is 36. So final answer you will get, no problem. Sometimes they may give in 63 like this also, but I think they will give in complete answer. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, is it clear? Understood?